One of the cool things about Prezi is that you can add collaborators and work on the same slide at the same time. In order to do that, you can actually go over here onto show collaborators, and right now there are no collaborators in this Prezi. So total collaborators is 1. That is me only. So in order to add in collaborators, I'm simply gonna click over here and you can see that I'm here. Here you can add in any email address, for example xyz@gmail.com, just like this, and then you can add it and they can edit the slide. You can also go over here and just choose can comment. So if you do not want the collaborator to change anything in your slide, you can just say they can only comment or can only present. That means they cannot add in any comments, they can just use the presentation to present, and that's it. So you can just press can edit and press add. So once you do that, the collaborator has been added in. But once the collaborator has been added in, the collaborator is himself or herself must need a Prezi account in order to start collaborating. And to do that, the user can simply click on the invitation email and then start registering for Prezi. So it doesn't matter. And once you press done, you can see that over here there are 2 collaborators, and you can add multiple collaborators as much as you want. Suppose for example 10, even if you want to. So once that is done, the collaborator can open up Prezi and then edit anything in the slide. And then even both of the collaborators, like you and the other collaborator, can work on the same slide at the same time. And you can see that the changes happens at the same time as well. So that is how you add collaborators in Prezi. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.